Today, I'm swatching some neon colors by Born Pretty. Welcome back, everyone. I'm so glad you are here with me today. I'm excited to get into this gel set because I absolutely love neon colors, especially for summer. Okay, so this is the Born Pretty Neon Gel Polishes. This pack comes in a set of 6. I'm going to swatch them and show you exactly what you get if you order them. I'll leave my affiliate link below. If you like this set, please use my link if you can, because it helps me earn a bit of commission to help my channel keep going. Okay, let's get into the colors. What I like to do is just take some thick paper and do the swatches on that, and then I'll stick the whole thing under my lamp to cure. Oh my gosh, this yellow is amazing. The pink would go good with the yellow for an accent nail or something. This is a really pretty color. Love this one too. I think I have a new favorite set here. Okay, let's do up a nail to see what it looks like on a nail tip. I'm going to do a comic book nail. This is my first time doing this. I've been watching some videos on how to do it, so I'm pretty sure I can make this work. Have any of you tried to do these types of nails? They are really popular, and I've always wanted to try it out. I think they look so cool. How do you think I did? I can't wait to try some more colors. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video for you. And please subscribe if you are enjoying my content. Have a great day.